Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never missed another update from Green Bengal.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I'm Abhishek. Today I'm going to show how to graft jackfruit plant simple and easiest way. Okay, let's start. First of all, need one seedling jackfruit plant at least 1 year old. It used as a rootstock. Need one sharp knife. Need some cuttings of polythene paper. Use it grafting tape. Need some thread. First we select any healthy mother plant stem which you want to graft. Take seedling plant and fix it nearest to the mother plant stem. Tie with thread. In this video I am going to show you contact grafting of jackfruit plant, and you can get almost 100% success. The full process of contact grafting, it will take 45 days. Take a knife, rootstock, cut 40% of the stem. Remove some excess leaf, mother plant bottom of the stem. Mother plant stem cut 60% of the stem. Merge these both stem and tie with this grafting tape. After 45 days we cut this mother plant stem, it's here, and cut the top portion of the rootstock. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query, please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.